Hey there my handsome and pretty little Cobras, and welcome back to the Cobras nest. For those of you who are new, my name is Mignon Cobra and I sort of make minimalism videos. So today's minimalism video is actually going to be my new room tour, the beige bubble version 2.0. So without further ado, let's just get into the video. Let's get it, let's go. Woo. For those of you who are new or may not be following me on Instagram or just don't know, I've actually recently moved places. I kind of did mention that, I was like, oh my god, I'm gonna miss the beige bubble. But yeah, I'm already moved and fully settled into the new place. So I'm gonna take this opportunity to show you guys what my new room looks like now. So yeah, without further ado, let's just get into the video. What we have is my desk setup. It's not quite what I want it to be honest. I still have a couple things that I want to organize, but the aesthetic I'm going for is like a black and white wood type of aesthetic. So yeah, I'm also trying to limit how much junk I keep in my drawers. As you see, I'm trying to be more minimalistic, as weird as that is. Even though I'm on a break, I don't know what's wrong with me, but here I am trying to be a better minimalist. So I'll show you guys what the room layout looks like. I put the desk here because this wall is the longest, so I have space for the desk and also for the little drawer that comes with it. For the chair that I'm using is actually a chair that I took from the kitchen. It's the landlord's, but I was going to invest in a better chair, but it turns out this one's really comfy, and it's beige and it's furry and it's soft. I was like, okay, screw it, I'm just gonna use this. It came with 4 chairs, so the other 3 chairs we use for eating, so I was like, this one's not even being used, might as well use it. Yeah, I just keep it with cozy vibes. I just put on this little fake sheep throw from IKEA and the chair seat that I had on my other chair, so I just put it here. Let's see what else. Okay, so on this side of the wall I have the boudoir. This boudoir is obviously not mine, it's the landlord's, but still I get to use it and it's freaking amazing. Half of the boudoir is mine, the other half is Will's, so I'll just be showing you guys what's in mine. So over here I have really basic stuff, just a hair bonnet thing for when I finish taking a shower, my comb, then over here nail polish, makeup remover, empty makeup bag and nail polish remover. It's this little area here is where I put my makeup bag. I just did my makeup, so that's why it's here, but normally this bag would just go in there, and that's how that would go. Okay, let's close that. And then in here, I have more skincare and stuff like that. Extra makeup bags. These are from Merit. Thank you so much, Merit, for sponsoring these. These I use to transport my makeup and cosmetics, but currently they're not being used, so I just put them there. Hair dryer. Over here, my underwear and socks. More running socks and my bras. And my gym clothes. Yes, I have a lot of gym clothes because I'm a gym rat. The best part of this is actually the mirror. The mirror is so freaking huge. It is such a joy to look at because not only can I do my makeup, but I can also see my outfit. I can see from the mid part of my legs up, which sometimes some of these mirrors, they kind of cut you off at the waist, but this kind of shows me my whole outfit, so it's really, really nice. I love this mirror a lot. It feels really luxurious, very I don't know what the feeling is, but every time I do my makeup here, I just feel like a queen. I just feel like a solid 11 out of 10, and I'm just here for that. Over here is the bed. The bed is amazing, guys. This mattress that they have is I don't even know, but it's we put our own mattress foam on top, but then there's their own mattress. It's super squishy, squishy but firm at the same time. It is such a joy to sleep in. I do like the aesthetic too. It's got the metal frame. I've never had a bed that was like this. I've had more typical beds, just the bed frame, not with the metal, I guess, rack. So it is really, really nice to sleep in. Very cozy. It's kind of awkward though because the plug is here, so normally we would have the little bedside table. Unfortunately, I've had to put that in the closet, so I'm just using a little stool to put the lamp because at night it's you just turn off the lights from here. But yeah. Okay, the next thing that we have is we have this sliding door closet, and it's really nice. It opens from both sides. Yeah, and I can also see my entire outfit, which is super nice, and it also makes the room look really big because there's a mirror on this side, there's a mirror on this side, so it is really nice. This side is Will's, as you can see, all black. That's his side, and then the other side is mine, all beige. Yeah, I'll show you guys from afar. These are just sweaters. I have 2 sweatpants and a couple leggings, and that is pretty much, yeah, my daily clothes. Down here, I have a little shrine thing, a productivity shrine. So I have a calendar, a picture of Will and I, some perfumes. I use this bad boy to spray my clothes, just to give it that AE American smell. It's from American Eagle. This is the scent Aura, and it smells so good. I just spritz my clothes in the morning, just to give it this amazing smell. My current smell right now from brulee, and I just spray that on my like wrists just for like an amazing, I just love it. And this is Opium from YSL, like knockoff. It's from Zara, and this is their gardenia. It's just so freaking good. This is like my Christmas smell. I spray this during Christmas time, so I just reserve it for Christmas so I can have that Christmas vibe. Over here, I have some diaries. I have my bucket bag. It's not in current rotation. I'm using my Coach. Little mirror, and then an empty slot if I need something, but you know, hashtag minimalism. And then the closet. It's really nice. It's quite big. So as you guys can see, it's a very even and clear split about whose stuff is whose stuff. This is my side and this is Will's side. So that is what it's looking like. Here are some pants, more dressier pants, like work pants, but since I work from home, I don't really use them. But that's not to say that obviously like I'm not gonna get rid of work clothes that fit me perfectly and I'm super picky about just because I'm not currently working in the office. If I ever go back to the office, I do want to have some work clothes, and I love these a lot. Like these were like carefully picked throughout the years. Like they fit my body really well. Like I have an awkwardly shaped body. I'm like thick in the hips but like thin in the waist, and it's impossible to find pants. So because of that, I'm not letting these go. And they're also good for like going out. Sometimes I kind of want to dress your vibe, so my work clothes are work casual, so they kind of double as that. I'm also going to show you guys some of my shirts. Like I mentioned with the dressier pants, I have a lot of dress shirts obviously from clinic. When I go to clinic, I wear like proper like work casual clothing, so I'm not gonna get rid of those because like again, as I've mentioned, I like these a lot, and there are times where I feel like getting more dressier, so that's when I wear these. They're not my common clothes, honestly. If it's up to me, I would just dress myself in just oversized crew necks. That is literally my favorite clothes, oversized crew neck, which is also appropriate for work too. But like yeah, the colorway is pretty simple, beige, cream, and like splash of gray and black, and that's pretty much it. I have some dressier, the Korean sack bags over here, and then here on this little rack we keep our bags, our daily bags. This is mine and this is Will's. Super minimalistic. There you have it. That is the room tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's super simple, nothing fancy, but to me it feels like a massive upgrade. I don't know what it is about this room, but it's just so nice. It feels like such an upgrade. I really do like the attention to detail. I guess that's what it is. Like I like this sliding doors. I like the boudoir. I like the closet. I like it. I like it a lot. Anyway, so if you enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up, a like, and a subscribe. I greatly appreciate it, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye!